We are at the Oakbrook Terrace Tower. This is the tallest building in Illinois outside of the city of Chicago. I think there's taller buildings in floor count, but in actual, like, physical, literal height, this one is the tallest. So let's go ride the elevators. Hopefully they're not closed by now. That looks like a parking elevator. 2 through 12, 13 through 22, 23 through 31. Oh, never mind. This actually might be the highest in floor count, too. Nice. Get to go to the top. Cool. These are quick. Wow, these are fast. Oh wow, this is literally the top of the tower. Oh my god. No way, we are at the top. Look at that. That's a crazy view. Oh my goodness, and look at the sunset. That's actually beautiful. That is a really beautiful scene there. You got almost all the colors, blue, yellow, green, or not really green, but you got blue, yellow, orange, red, purple. That's a beautiful, I'm gonna screenshot that. That's an awesome view. Anyway, there's no service car here. I'm surprised about that. These were originally Schindler M series. These are certainly some of the fastest elevators in Illinois outside of Chicago as well. I'd say these are probably about I'd say these are at least 1,000 feet per minute. I'd safely wager that. This is a big building. Actually, no, we'll let that one go. These are 3,500 pound capacity Schindler port mod. God damn. Yeah, we'll do one more ride. These are really fun. One more ride up and down. These things are so cool. These things would have been crazy when they were original. Oh, these are fun. These things fly. I want to be dead honest, they might have kept like the original individual controllers for the cars. I think these are still Myconic. I honestly think these are Myconic still. These are really fun. Very nice cabs too. Anyway, yeah, these are fun. I'm gonna speed test these now. Anyway, that will be all.